this part. I'm just going to show you on myself 2 areas inside the mouth to access the muscles of mastication. So if you are doing self-massage for your jaw for TMJ pain, I'm going to just tell you 2 basic ways to reach musculature. So first thing is you're going to make sure you have clean hands, a clean glove, an unused glove, and you want to reach inside your mouth, choose a side, have some space between your top and bottom teeth, so just a loose bite or no bite, you're not biting down at all. You're going to go to the back of your molars until you reach just the back of your mouth, past the teeth, inside the cheek, so pushing against the cheek until you get to a softer spot, and when you push on it you will feel some sensation or some tenderness. It should be obvious that it is musculature. So I'll show you what it looks like how far back I go. Relax my mouth. So my finger is pretty much all the way inside my mouth, and I'm pushing up against the side closest to you. So I'm just going between my 2 teeth, pushing up against the side of my cheek. And you can do little circles, just like that. So the other spot you can go is, one sec, I have to double check. Yeah. So the other spot you can go is inside the bottom gums. If you feel down your bottom molars on the inside, here, okay, and you go past where the root of the teeth are, past the bone, it will soften up and like open up a bit more, and you'll feel again the tenderness indicating you're pushing on muscle. So I'll try to show you as best I can here. Right about there. If my inside finger can meet my outside finger, I feel like it'd be somewhere in there. Super hard to show you. Main thing is that you go slowly. You don't proceed with this type of self-massage if you're not comfortable. And you just make sure that you are not clenching your jaw or biting down on your own hand. Painful. So when you're in there and you found those areas, just start with little circles lightly. You can go back and forth, like saw back and forth, and you can definitely do both sides. Perfect. So any questions about that, message me.